National Industrial Tribunal. Section 7B of Indian Disputes Act says Section 7B provides for constitution of National Tribunal if in the opinion of government the industrial dispute involves question of national importance or the industrial dispute is of such nature that industrial establishments in more than one state are likely to be interested in or affected by such dispute. In these two conditions, the government will constitute a national tribunal and refer the industrial dispute to the national tribunal. Section 10.6 and Section 10.7 bars the exercise of concurrent power of the state government. It means so when reference of an industrial dispute is being given to national tribunal, the labor courts and industrial tribunals are barred from entertaining it, okay, or which are before them deemed quash. What does it mean? If there is an industrial dispute and it has been referred to a national tribunal, then the state government cannot refer it to any labor court or industrial tribunal. Okay, if the industrial dispute is already with any labor court or industrial tribunal and the central government refers it to national tribunal because of national importance, or if industrial establishments in more than one state are interested in or affected by such dispute, okay, then the matter before the labor court and industrial court, if the industrial dispute is already with them, it will be deemed quashed there. Okay, now the matter will be adjudicated by national tribunal only. Constitution of Industrial National Tribunal. Section 7B2 says it has a presiding officer who can only be one person. He is appointed by the central government. His qualification is that he is or has been judge of high court. If the government thinks, it can appoint two persons as assessors to advise in the proceedings. These assessors are usually experts in the matter about which the industrial dispute is adjudicated. Section 15 says when referred any dispute, the national tribunal should hold proceedings expeditiously and submit the award or decision to the appropriate government as soon as possible. Now see the jurisdiction or authority to decide of national tribunal. This jurisdiction has no specific mention. So what is the jurisdiction now? Any matter in which industrial dispute has national importance. Okay, industrial disputes involves any question of national importance in the opinion of central government, or industrial dispute is of such nature that the industrial establishments in more than one state are interested in or affected by such a dispute, then that matter comes under the jurisdiction of national tribunal. Okay, these conditions were given in definition also. So now let's have a quick summary. National Industrial Tribunal. Section 7B says it provides for the constitution of a national tribunal if in the opinion of government the industrial dispute involves question of national importance or the industrial dispute is of such nature that industrial establishments in more than one state are likely to be interested or affected by such dispute. Section 10.6 and 10.7 says it bars the exercise of concurrent power of the state government. So when the matter is referred to the national tribunal, labor courts and industrial tribunal are barred from entertaining such dispute. Okay, or which are the matters which are already before the labor court or industrial tribunal, they will be deemed quashed. Now the national tribunal will adjudicate them. Constitution of National Tribunal. Section 7B2 says the National Tribunal contains one presiding officer. Only one person can be presiding officer. He is appointed by the central government. His qualification there is that he is or has been a judge of high court. If the government thinks fit, He can appoint two persons as assessors to advise in the proceeding. These assessors are usually experts in the matters to which industrial dispute is related. Section 15 says when a matter, any dispute is referred to national tribunal, it should hold the proceedings expeditiously and submit the award or decision to the appropriate government as soon as possible. The jurisdiction or authority to decide, it has no specific mention. Okay, so any matter, the industrial dispute related to any matter which involves the question of national importance in the opinion of central government, or any industrial dispute is of such nature that the industrial establishments in more than one state are interested in or affected by the dispute, then that dispute can be referred to the national tribunal and a national tribunal will be constituted. So this was national tribunal. Okay, if you want the PDF for revision, you can get it from the description box or the comment box. Next we will see Payment of Wages Act 1936 in next video.